Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time to be here, my name is Min JoJa and welcome. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. As you can see behind me, it's my bed. So this video I'm going to show you how to make your bed to be more welcoming, to look cozy, of course to look nice, more likely like an hotel. So stay tuned. And before that, I'm just going to clean it first before I make it.
When the darkness is pulling you down, you don't know how to move on. When music is the only thing that keeps you alive, and you know that the time will come. We are feeling so unstoppable, dangerous, our comfort zone, protecting people with the tone, with the tone. We just want to save this world, so prepare yourselves for us. Take me down, 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 down. Try to lift me up, 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 up. I will stop the time crashing through my mind. Let's try to get it beyond. Our comfort zone, protecting people with the tone, with the tone. We just want to save this world, so prepare yourselves for us. For us. Take me down, 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 down. Try to lift me up, 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 up. I will stop the time crashing through my mind. Let's try to get it beyond.
kids, that's how the bed looks like. So I changed their duvet to this one. I normally change after every for duvet I normally change like after a month. Yes, I think that is enough because these duvets are very heavy. Once you wash them, because I don't use washing machine, I call a lady to come and wash for me. At the moment, for the duvets, at the moment I don't have a washing machine, but I'm planning to get one. So for them to wash, it has to take some time to dry off. So I normally use hand wash. So that's how their bed looks like. For my son, they are matching. It's a greenish. And then for my daughter, actually they make their bed. I have taught them how to make their bed. So once they wake up, they have first thing to do is to make their bed. So and then they go and prepare to go to school. Yeah, it's always good to teach your kids on how to make their beds, to ensure that the room is very clean before they leave it. So that's how their rooms looks like. Yeah. So normally that's how I normally make my bed. And I know I'm not perfect. You can share some ideas. My beddings are old, so I'm going to change that. Even my towel is not that new, so I'm going to change it. But I was just demonstrating how you can make like a welcoming sign for the towel. This is normally how I make my towel in my Airbnb, which I'm about to make a video for that apartment in Twapa. So this that's how I normally put my towel, but this towel is a bit big for me, but I'll fold it like a square, a shape of a square, so that I can create a love sign like this. So normally I start with the bed cover, the fitting bed sheet, which I started with, the white one, and then I have to put another sheet on top of the bed cover, which is upside the bottom side should be the upside down, the inner side should be on top, and then after that I follow with this white sheet. I needed to see the flower sign. I love this flower sign so much, so I wanted to see it. And then you can iron the sheet so that they may not have those lines, so that it can look like smooth. Yeah, to make it smooth. And this is how do we call it? Is it a duvet or is a quilt? Then because now it's hot, we don't need that heavy duvet. Just put it on top. It can act as a bed runner, but this time I just decided to put it like that. If you want to put it like a bed runner, you fold it. Is it twice? You fold it and then again you fold it, and then you can place it in between the bed. My mattress is very heavy. That's why it took me a lot of time to lift it up. I got the mattress from Dr. Mattress. So thank you so much, Dr. Mattress, for your mattress. I love it so much. And yeah, so that's it. That's how I normally make my bed and for my kids, so that whenever they come from school, whenever my husband comes from work, they will just find the house is very welcoming. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. So until my next one, stay blessed. Bye bye.